Have you ever struggled to lift up a grocery bag, carry a suitcase, carry another bag on one side and felt that you're completely off balance or don't have enough strength? That's not just inconvenience, that's your body asking you for some more strength and stability. Today we're going to show you one of the most practical and powerful exercises you can do to help strengthen your core and your whole body, which is the suitcase lift and the suitcase carry. Now these two exercises work hand in hand and they challenge different muscles depending on how you're doing them, but adding these into your routine, doing them every second day will assist with overall body strength and core and stability strength. These exercises help build grip, core strength, stability, and hip and balance strength, and overall contribute to the picture of better stability, independence, and stronger outcome. Let's break it down step by step so you can try it. It is called the suitcase carry or the suitcase lift, as essentially you're trying to pick up a suitcase by your side. You want to hold the suitcase gripped tightly to your side. Don't have it flaring out and don't have it too much that it's pulling you over, or don't have yourself leaning away just to try keep that erect posture. Have it nice by your side, strong grip, you'll feel your forearm muscles working, and what you'll start to feel in the core is as this is pulling you down towards the left in your left hand, these muscles on the right side have to pull the spine back to a neutral center of gravity. Now from here, this right side and the rest of the core is still working, but here is strong, powerful muscle activation in the core and just in the arm. From here, a suitcase lift is just by lifting it off the ground. And you're aiming to keep the back straight and the arm straight. You're not bending the elbow as you come up. It's straight down and straight back up. So the steps are stand beside the dumbbell or the bag. Now you're going to hinge at the hips. So hinge here, bend your knees ever so slightly. So the knees should be bent fraction with a hip hinge at the waist. You want to keep that core neutral spine, or keep the back straight and the chest proud. Now you're going to grip the bag or grip your weight if you're using a kettlebell, and you're going to grip this and lift using your legs. So the main thing is to avoid twisting or avoid leaning. You want to keep your shoulders level, start light, and then focus on this good form and push through the legs as you stand up nice and tall. So we don't want to round the back too much, and we don't want to jerk the weight up or use the arms by flaring the elbows. This is just neutral in the arm and up and then back down. Now in the gym, a kettlebell is quite low if you're in the gym. So with a kettlebell, you can put this on a lower surface and start there. So if you are rounding your back to get down to the lower surface here, then start with a higher surface and perform the exact same maneuver. So you're hinging at the hips, bending the knees, gripping the weight, and then you're standing up. Almost like a one-sided deadlift. It's priming you to use those muscles that would also be used in a deadlift. As you feel more comfortable, you can lower down towards the ground. And so say that weight is at a lower surface, same principles apply. You're going to bend the knees slightly, hinge at the hips, keep the back straight and the chest proud, grip the object, and then push through the legs. So with the suitcase lift, I recommend repetitions, maybe around 8 to 10 repetitions of 3 sets. And doing this on both sides, not just on the one side. Over time, you'll start to feel better and increase in strength in the core, stability of the hips, grip and arm upper body strength. In addition to the suitcase lift, we can do the suitcase carry. Now it's a similar thing as I demonstrated. The suitcase carry is carrying the suitcase in the arm by the side, or carrying the weight at your side. And you can use a dumbbell, you can use a kettlebell, you can choose whatever you want. And from there, you're going to keep the body up and you're going to start walking. With this, you want to keep your core tight, keep your shoulders even, and try not to lean. You need to walk in a straight line that's controlled and upright. A lot of people ask how long to walk. I would start with 10 to 20 meters or about a 30-second. Now the challenge on this is you're holding it on one side. So of course the weight wants to pull you down. So once again, we're activating this right side to pull you up straight, and it's nice and slow, controlled walk. We're not doing this awkward lean. And body is upright and just walking nice and slow and controlled. And it doesn't matter which weight you use. You can use a dumbbell, you can use a kettlebell, you can fill up your suitcase if you're traveling. These exercises also assist and mimic daily movements, such as picking something up off the ground, picking a grandchild up, picking a suitcase, picking a bag, picking anything up off the ground. It will assist with those muscles and prime them for better use. So add the suitcase lift or the suitcase carry to your workouts at home or in the gym environment. Progress weight softly and slowly. Try not to lean too much with the weight if it overpowers you, and then add this in and progress with it. All right, thanks. Until next time.